Hello, I'm here. No one else is here at the moment, but I am here. And that is all that matters. Ugh. Stretch. Alright, today I'm making a racing game where I go vroom vroom. Um why a car game? Because what about Marlo? What? What is Marlo? Should I know? Oh, Marlo. I will put Marlo and Louis and Luggy. I'll have them as characters in the car game. I will put Marlo and Luggy in the car game. I haven't even actually looked at the form. Let's have a look at it real quick. Let's see what I end up scrapping all this. But we're gonna look at the other stuff. The rest is getting scrapped. I'm making a 3D car game. Great. Oh, summary. That's what I'm after. Alright. Pugs, Marlio. Not Marlo. Marlio. And Luigi. The Dorax. James. I will put Falling James in as a character. If Doom pops into chat, I'll ask him what car James should drive. Actually, I need to ask Doom. Wait, can I Doom important need to call. Very urgent. I just need to. Anyway, I'll wait for him to get back to me. Damn. Okay, apparently he's busy. What car James drive? I'm just gonna. You guys can't see this, but. Okay, he's gonna answer the question. I will look at that later. First, I should probably get like a controls thing. Shouldn't I? Probably get like some kind of control. At every option, you need to call the players racist. I agree with that. Can I does this work? It doesn't work on OBS. I was going to make you a chat moderator, but apparently I can't because you should. Anyway, what it'd be like 3, 2, 1, like all racists, start your engines. You know what they say? If life is a race, I'll be the racist. Is that the saying? Anyway, programming time. And why am I a Discord mod? Because you're the only active person in my streams. So you get to be mod. I know you're never active on the Discord, but like in the end it's number one racist. You're never active on the Discord, but like I don't know, felt like it. Just please don't break the Discord. Room game go. Alright. Room game go. I will attempt to add multiplayer to this. Maybe. No promises. Anyway, 3D scene. So this will be the base scene. I'm just gonna add a shape. I need a plane. Just like shape 3 It's not called Shape 3D. What is it called? It's Collision Shape 3D. Yep, and the shape is a plane? And there is not, so it will be a box. Nope, that isn't it. Because it needs a collision object 3D to attach to. Collision. Nope. Object. I love having things not work. Collision polygon. No. How did I do this last time? Derek, I forgot. Could try a toon shader or something for it. Maybe. Oh, the carpet things, what, like in my thumbnail? That is one of the racetrack ideas. That is a plan. What's the shape one called again? I've forgotten. Now I'm in the docks. I don't want to be in the docks. Is it not collision shape? I thought it was collision shape. Is it just missing a texture? Is that what it is? I just... No. What's it missing? Collision shape only serves to provide a collision shape to a collision object 3D. Area rich. Oh, I'm dumb. Need an area 3D. Is that it? Nope, it's still wrong. It's not rigid body. Help. Let me add the collision shape back and let me look at the arrow. Static body 3D, maybe? Static body 3D. Physics material. Box. That's still wrong. That's still wrong. It's not rigid body, because if it was a rigid body, it just falls. Am I actually just stupid? I might just be stupid. I just need like a plane. What is vehicle body? Well, damn, looks like nobody wants... Yeah, no one wants the car game, apparently. How do I... How to add a plane? Godot. Plane. Where's a Hessian? What's a Hessian normal form? Oh, I miss. Oh, Freddy's back. I missed Freddy. Will it at least be multiplayer? Yes. I missed a couple messages. I think you underestimate the difficulty. I'm not actually going to do car physics. I'm just gonna chuck car models on rigid bodies. I'm not making it too fancy. I'm just chucking car models on rigid bodies. How to add a shape to the scene. Godot. Godot 3D. Terry costs $100 on Steam for multiplayer. Yes, but will drive work? It go forward. That's all I worry about. Also, I'm probably not gonna do the multiplayer on Steam. I'm probably gonna just figure out port forwarding. Alright. Box shape 3D. For physics collision, a 3D box shape intended for usually used to provide a shape for a collision shape 3D. Box shape 3D. Box shape. Not a thing. What? What? I don't know. Static is what is static body 3D? It's not. Guys, help me out here, please. Do I just have to make a plane in like self-hosted servers? Yeah, I could probably figure out a way where you just hit multiplayer button and then it like does all the port forwarding for you. Like it just says give this IP address to your friends. Um Shape 3D Godot. Cargo Vroom Vroom. Make the loading screen for this? I can't even get a square on screen. This doesn't help. Collision shape 3D? Is that a thing? Collision shape. Wait, no, but that's the thing I was doing before. Box. Yeah. Can't view shapes. Godot. View port. What shape? Is there a way? No, that's splitting the screen. Air 3D, static body 3D, rigid body 3D, character body 3D. I'm gonna do area 3D and figure that out. Area 3D. Attach that on that. What is this? Transform. Will it have RTX? No. I can't, considering I can't even get a rectangle on the screen. No. How did I do this like 3 streams ago? I literally did this 3 streams ago. I did this last stream. They're just a square I can put on. I'm actually like going to the docks as well, and I just cannot There's built-in multiplayer? That's something I'll look into another time. Is it under control? No. Really, really loving this, to be honest. So these are all the objects. A 3D physics board that can be moved by extension. When moved manually, it doesn't affect other bodies in its path. A 3D physics board is specified for characters moved by script. 3D physics board that is moved by physics. So it's static body. Right. So it would be static body. This node has no shape, so it can't be collided. Consider adding a collision shape or collision polygon. Add collision shape. Now set the shape to. And let's do a height map. Let's make it flat. What is good? Do I have like display? It's not wireframe. It's normal. Does anyone actually know, or am I just gonna cry for the rest of eternity? Can I just hit play? Nothing hit. Let me add a camera real quick. Camera. Just to see, it's not there. Vision input transform. It's not transform. Visibility process. It is visible. Geometry. No, that's not it. Static body 3D. Though not visible. Like, it's showing up there. So why does it not show up in mine? Huh? Godot stuck in wireframe. Look, because my game doesn't even look like that. Create 3D scene Godot.
Hello and welcome.
This there's an hour-long tutorial. Minute. What is a curved terrain? It's a plugin? I don't want to use plugins yet. I'm not. That is another hour-long tutorial. Here we go. Alright. Where is setting up the game area? Import production. Blah 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 blah. Oh, is it because I don't have a material on it? That's not how I add material. How do I add materials? No, that is how I add materials. Add, I guess, resource material. Standard material. Yeah. And then. Oh wait, no, it needs to be a physics material, doesn't it? Physics material? Physics material. War. No, that's still wrong. Let me try just with the collision. No, let's try with just a normal collision shape 3D, and let's just do a static body 3D. No, that's what I was just using. Rigid body 3D. Yeah, let's just use a rigid body for the floor for the time being. This is incredibly bad practice. But you know what? Resource. Material, standard material 3D. Acid does. Where did the collision shape go? Great, it just disappears when it feels like it. No. What is going on? Hey, you know what? Let's throw Godot away. We're gonna do some 3D modeling. I have it installed. Oh, it's probably because on my hard drive. Okay, we're doing 3D modeling, mate. Cause oh my goodness, the software was not working for some reason. Just there. We're gonna start with a car. What car are we gonna make? To be honest, I don't know, but we can start with cube and then size it to be like the width we want. Guess that's good, and then yeah, I guess like that. Let me real quick increase its height. There we go. Okay, now I go to edit mode or subdivide. I'll select these. I just realized it's a bit wide of a car, so I'm just gonna S. Um, can I? You know what? Jeep side view. We're gonna make a Jeep. We're gonna let's make this one. I guess. Um. So we're gonna delete Shift A. An image reference. Save as. What folder am I in? Documents. OneDrive documents to be specific. Great. How do I access OneDrive documents? Like that? Is that good enough? No. I really love... No, this is still wrong. Why can I not just get to this PC? Why is it not just something I can get to? Save image as... Let's just throw it on the hard drive. I'm sure it's... Oh wait, it's called SD default. It's this. Okay, now I want to on the y-axis, move that way. Alright. I need orthographic view. Back orthographic. Yeah, it's in orthographic. Okay. Now I need cube. That's basic. Okay, how do I wireframe? I guess that... No, not wireframe. No, I guess it's wireframe now. Um... You should use that one guy's engine sound thing. Or I could make the engine sounds with my mouth. Because, you know, I'm pretty good at that. Alright. I actually... Side and front view. I've just realized I need a front view too. For 3D modeling. I remember what it's called. 3D model turn. Yeah, here we go. This is the first one. Unless there's one I see better? No. Alright. I really hate Google. Like, Google, please just give me what I want. You know what? This is what I want. This is the car we're using. Documents. Car go wrong. Right. Mr. Car, you're gone. And solid, and you're gone. Alright. Shift A. Image. Reference. Cargo room. 090. 0. Now I want to G on the Y axis. Like 10. Not 10. Yeah, 10's good. And I want to shift A, add another one. Image reference. Cargo room again. This is along X. Yes, this will be front and side. How far was that? 10, and this will be 10. Alright. I need to line that. I guess 0.2? No. Negative 0.2. I just actually want. I just need to make sure they're the same like height. That's what I need to worry about. I guess if I just put the height at 0. Then I rotate. Yes, this is where I need to be at. And then that needs to be height 0. It needs to be the front of the car. There we go. So now I can swap between these two and work on the car. Yeah, alright. Let's start with a cube. Back to wireframe. Yeah, that's about the right height. And then if I go to here, am I on the right one? This one. No. This one. There we go. On the y-axis. Actually, shrink it. Yeah, and then S. That's like perfect. There we go. Look at the fan art in Discord for a second. I made an art piece for car that vroom vroom. Okay, okay. Let me go have a look at it. I'll pull it up on my phone. That is a nice car. So I need to put a... I'm in edit mode. I need to put a cut. I need two. And I need to... No, I need one, which I can then move along to here, and then I need a second one, which I can then move along to there. Oh! Yeah, and then from there, I can get edge selection. Sorry, I just need to... No, I wanted selection tool. I can G, move it up or the Z. Professional 3D modeling. What's your favorite game? Probably Hollow Knight. Yeah, I'd say Hollow Knight. And also what? And what? I've just realized I need to actually make the areas for the wheels to come up. I've also just realized I didn't actually select the whole edge loop. Only on that one I did. Right. Alt. Does that? Yes, that does select it. Alright. Why can't I just make sushi? Sushi is so much easier to make. I made a really nice sushi 3D model before this. I actually just had an idea. Yes, so yeah, that moves the whole thing. why I need it. Y shrink in, yep. And then same for this. So that one's pretty much already done. But it still does need a little bit of shrinkage. And then I can do a loop cut there. Do 3. Yeah, and then same applies there. 3. And then come underneath. Select all these. Bring it up on Z. And then I bring it up along Z again. Look at this. This looks amazing. I might actually select these. Oh. Wait, no, I need to do them individually. How much is it by? 1.3. 1.2. Yeah, 1.25. And then G Y by 1.25. That is the wrong axis. I've done this wrong. It's because I hit G and not S. Y by 1.25. I have an achievement which only 3% winning a hide and seek in Among Us. Among Us? Wow. Should add this racing game. I'm sorry that I'm mentally deranged. Alright, we'll look at that. This is looking good so far. Alright, now I need to go to face select. Can I just... Yes, I can. Alright, that makes a lot of things easier. I can just dissolve faces. That is immediately a million times easier to work with now. Alright. I've noticed it's on. I'm gonna. Oh. Oh. Dissolve edges. No, it's not. Ah. Yeah, that's fine. Bevel. Oh, okay, very, very little. Add, like, yeah, 3 segments. I need to turn on wireframe. Oh, it is. The whole car is way too wide, I've just realized. So before I bevel, I need to object mode it, select the whole thing, and then just there. Right, so that is a lot better already, and then I can I need to do this. Edit mode, yep. And then I can bevel it down. Hey Dev, there are 2 new people watching. Never mind, they're gone and womp. Womp womp. Oh well, I don't really care who's watching. I don't know what half these do. Wait. I'm just gonna do that. And then percent. Oh, that. Oh, that actually kind of looks cool. Lower the segments to make it low poly. I just rendered it. This might kill stream a bit. Now what I do is I select this, bevel this a tad bit, just smoothing out the front. Yeah. Okay, I don't even need reference images anymore. I'm now eyeballing it. I'm eyeballing it now. As far as SCP Infinity hasn't showed up yet, they were constantly talking about how much they wanted to, you know, see all the streams. By the way, Doom sent me the type of car that he wants James to drive. Okay, I need to subdivide this. Can I just insert 2 edge loops instead? Okay, nice. No, I want it. I want it going across that way. I guess I could try subdivide. No, it does not want me to subdivide. Okay, so how do I select and select and then cut? I want to. What is even going on anymore? There we go. There we go. Now I can face. No, I don't want to be using this tool anymore. And I can face select, extrude. Oh, this looking fire. This car is gonna be insane. I cannot 3D model. as is very prevalent. Devil. Back vertices? So that's creating tearing. That is not there. Yeah, and then I can... You know what? This is a nice car. Was it? Whereas it was nowhere to be seen. Also, estimated. Where's the security? I'm not working on James' car yet. I'm working on whatever this monstrosity is. Whatever this monstrosity is, that's what I'm working on right now. Okay, good. Yeah, this isn't James' car. Look at this. How many polygons does this car have? Is there, I forget where to see the polygons. I think they meant genre. Who meant genre? Did I miss a message? Oh, I think I missed a message somewhere. Okay, now I gotta inset things. I gotta do it one at a time. Okay, inset. By how much? Can I even do 0.1? I can do 0.1 without tearing. What about 0.2? 0.2 tears. 0.1. Alright. This really shows how what the integrity of use it. Did I miss it? Oh, favorite game, and oh, I was confused because I saw Gunra and thought it was gonna be like a D's nuts joke or something, so I just didn't respond to it. Because in all honesty, I thought it was gonna be a D's nuts joke. Oh, how do I apply scale again? I cannot remember, so it's just gonna look bad. Can I get... Hell yeah. It's so bad. Inset by 0.1. And then on the y-axis, extrude it out. Don't you love when your cars look... I cannot actually inset this one by 1.1. It tears. Oh no, the model is already tearing. Great. I might be able to fix the tearing if I just grab these and then just... No, that makes the tearing worse. If I bring it up. That kind of worked. I think it's this vertex here. Yeah, I think that's what was causing the tearing. Now, can I... There we go. Alright, now for the back window. That can be 0.1. And now all I need to do is actually wait, I need to do it side at a time. You know, I might be able to do them all. No, that's not what I wanted. Okay, extrude along X 0.3. No, okay, I do just need to do them like that. Alright, 0.3. That is wrong. Negative 0.3. That is far too much. Negative 0.1? I said negative 0.1. Negative 0.05? Negative 0.01. 0.02. Yes. Rose living in the past. That message was yonk. I know it was yonks ago, but like, it only just came through. The message only just came through now. Negative 0.02. Like sometimes there's a bit of delay. Do 0.02. Finally, the windshield. This car is so horrific. And I gotta texture it as well. This car will be in the final game though. And it'll be the best car. Be the best car in the game. 0.02. Sorry. Negative 0.02. I'm going to make this the best car. You've heard it. Hey Dev, how would you rate my art from a scale of 1 to 10? I don't know. It's better than me, so a 10. I can't draw at all. I also can't model at all. That's proof right here. I need to add the wheels. So let me shift A, add a cube. Just need to make sure that it covers the whole thing without like intersecting. Okay, it doesn't intersect at the back. Alright, so now I can move it there. Move it up just a tad bit. And then scale it along Y. It needs a bit more scaling. We could not have a window if it's first person. Oh, it's not going to be first. It's going to be third person. Even though first person would be absolutely hilarious, I don't want to do that. Look at that. Now I'm going to make a wheel. Would you drive this? I wouldn't drive this for $1 million. Actually, I would drive this for $1 million. If someone was giving me $1 million, I would drive this. I remember a while back I wanted to make a Pokemon clone. And you know, to be honest, I probably could now. It'd be absolutely rubbish. You sound so quiet. Be louder, please. Yeah. You should have told me that earlier. I could have turned up my audio. Is this better? By the way, if I'm responding to messages ages away, please let me know and I will refresh chat. Actually, I might just refresh chat in general. There we go. Chat has been refreshed. It's just in case I'm missing things. Let me do this. Bring this in. I guess oh no, that's a message from earlier. I can read. I can read, guys. Alright, let's add this wheel. Shift A, I guess. That's probably a cylinder. Probably my best. $90 on there, 90. I could just have it drive like this. You sound better too? Thank you. I haven't changed anything to do with my microphone, besides I slightly turned up the gain. But you know what? Thank you. Wheels are quite thin. I just realized I need to change, I need to reset it. I need to delete the dissolve vertices. Dissolve it. This one edge does not want to be deleted. Delete. Oh my goodness, that deletes the entire car. Object. Wait, are these... Oh my gosh, they're interconnected. I needed it to be a separate object. Because I want to move it independently. Among Us's update has no textures? That's pretty funny, but you know what else has no textures? My stuff. I cannot texture. Okay, I need to lower the vertices. Not 3. I guess maybe 6? No, 6 is too low. 8? 12. 10. 10 looks good. Zero, zero, zero. I need to rotate it along the X 90. Nope, I need to rotate it along the Y 90. Yes. Okay, now I scale it down. I can't actually see anything in orthographic view. That is not right. I know what a car, this is what a car looks like, right guys? Right? So crap. I also cannot commentate for the life of me. How do people commentate? That's what I've wanted to know for a long time, because I cannot commentate for the life of me. There we go, and now I just chuck an array modifier on it. Not on X, but on... Yeah. V85? Yes. And then I chuck another array modifier on it. Oh, no, that's the original one. This one here, on the x-axis. No, not the x... What? Z-axis? Yes, it is. I don't... The axes are just wrong sometimes, but you know what? There's not much I can do about it. Look at that car. I can animate it too. Let me animate the... So it ends at 10. I want to add a keyframe. So which one is it that... Oh, that is not what I want. This is not how car wheels spin. I have realized. Maybe instead of adding a second array modifier, I should have added a mirror. I mean, I could just have it drive like this. It could just drive like this. But no. Back to modifiers. Back to layout. Is this the one that's... No, that's the one I want to keep. This is the one I want to remove. Right. I should add a mirror. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Damn, that car can lit. I know, right? Modifier. Mirror. I don't know how to do this. No, that's that. I don't know how to mirror. Onto objects cylinder. No. Is it a different modifier name in Blender? I don't use Blender often, so I don't know. I don't think it's this, but they do have a screw. Well, I didn't drive in like this. Whoa! Now this is how you drive. That is not... Disclaimer, that is not how you drive. I just bring the array back. I'm just gonna make it drive like how I said. Right. Rotation X, yeah, and then 10 is done. And then on goes to 19, and then by the time it reaches 0, it's 0, 0. No, that's location I'm changing. 0, 0, 0. I didn't actually add any keyframes, did I? Nope. Great. I'm very smart. Okay, so add keyframes and then go to 10. Just yep, and then go to 21. Set it back to 0, 90, 0. And now we play the animation. Imagine you drive, you're driving. This is how it drives. Nah, that's excessive. I'm thinking we'll just have the wheels spin. Not on that axis. Not that one. Not that. Which axis? Why does both the X and Y axis? Why does both the X and Z axis rotate on the same axis? That's wrong. There we go. I needed to add. Nope. Which one is it? No. None. Great. That's not the axis. That's wrong. I broke the software. I broke Blender. How? Can I go back to when it was offset? No, this is far back as I can go. I guess it's driving like this now. Oh, there we go. I got it. So add keyframe. 10. I want to have done like I want to have done 270 degrees. No, because that's half a. And then on 20, I want it to be back at 0. Alright, I think I'm forgetting something. Room. Okay, so I guess I gotta put something at 15. Because I gotta put it at, so if it goes 0 to 180, then I guess 270. Why does it flip all the way back? I'm back. I got tea. I got tea now. Sorry, that was very urgent. I needed to get tea. It's very urgent. Let's go to frame 0, right? And then I rotate it to there, right? Which is on frame 10. No, frame 5. Add keyframe, right? So it starts at 0, not 1. 5. Then I go to 10. I rotate it an additional 90 degrees. Yeah, and it's keyframed. And I go to 15. And I turn it to 270. Yep, and then I go to 20, and I turn it back to, goes to 360. Now how's this gonna look? Why is it just teleport? Wait, what frame is it here? Why is it there? There should be 0. This is how we drive. Because I can animate. I'm an animator. Yes. Alright. We can stop the animation now. Put it back to frame 0. Alright. I think now I just need to texture it. Texture paint. That's the UVs already there. Actually, no, there's one more thing I need to do on the wheels. Oh. Yep, edge select, bevel. Yeah, that's how they look. I actually only want 2 segments. And then I will, yeah, Alt G, make it along X, yeah. I just realized I need to do this on both sides, so I need to get the bevel on both. What is the shortcut for bevel? B. Control B. Okay, segments 2. Just 0.1. 0.2. Yep. And then I need, oh, actually, I could just save so much time if I just, zero point 0.2. Yeah, and then I Alt and then Shift Alt, and then I note on X by 0.5. And those are some nice ones. Okay, now texture paint. First, I need to UV map it. I need to UV it. UV. That's warp, not wrap. Blender just froze and I have not saved anything. Please don't be broken. Thank you. UV project. UV map. Yeah, UV map. Object. that. Texture paint, new. Wheel. This is wheel. I was hitting the wrong wheel. There we go. Alright. So that's the wrapping. And I need to go to shading. I'm a professional and didn't have to look this up like right before stream. Texture. Image texture. Paint. I need to save as. Where's this saved to? Wheel.png. Yep, that's good enough for me. Open wheel.png. Texture. Now I go to here. Can I just paint bucket the UVs? No. Alright. I want like a gray. Just gonna make sure I don't accidentally go onto the wheel. Wait, no, that bit needs to be black. It's the inside that needs to be. Oh. Yes. Okay. How do I do this? Because I need to make it so that I don't accidentally, like, you know. What if I set radius to 1? What does that look like? Oh, that's like pixels. Is there a line tool? See, if I just fill with, I've got it. If I fill with gray, and then I change it to black, and then I go to brush tool, really large radius. I didn't change it to black. Texturing. Then I go to the like gray, and I just you know. Professionalism. Look at that. Who wouldn't want to drive that? Make the car great. No, I'm gonna make the car red. Alright, so now I need a new image. Body. This one's gonna be a bit more annoying because of the windows. Oh, sorry, I just saw a notification. Anyway, so go to layout, object mode, yep. Pick the car. Edit mode. I wish you could just control A. Make everything so much easier. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm not ready to. Oof. That does not look nice. New. Shift A. Texture. Image texture. Goes to there. Open. Car body. Texture paint. Let's just go straight into red. That is the underside of the car. That's the back. I'm just gonna do it all, and then I'm gonna highlight where the windows are. This whole thing red. I'm gonna go here, edit mode, and I only select the windows. All of the windows are this box. This box is all the windows. Okay. Wait, are the windows these tiny lines? Is that the window? Oh my goodness, it is. Why is this tiny window? Why is that the window? You know what? I'm actually going to grab the windows. I'm gonna go to layout, right? I'm gonna go to modifier, UV project, right? UV map. That is not how I adjust the UV. I forget how. Oh, UV editing. Here we go. All the way down in this corner. I'm going to select them one by one. I'm going to scale them. Why can I only widen them? That's really dumb. You know what? I guess the whole car. You know what? That. Wait, actually, because of what I've done. Now, if I just paint this bottom corner. Oh, beautiful. Instead of the whole wheel being black, you could make the tire part black and the inner part gray. Yeah, that's what I did. Never mind, it undid it. I That's what I did. It Oh, one of them is like that, but the other one is not. That's really weird. There we go. Can I make the windows more metallic? Can I make the car more metallic? Except if I go to object mode. This is gonna. I'm not adding multiple cars. I am adding one car. I have just realized I have been live for an hour and a half. How do I make it shiny? Oh, that lagged my. How do I make it shiny? You'd think it'd be in metallic. Oh, I think it is. Oh, that is shiny. It's more reflective. If you're having tea time, I'm having one. Okay, I just made tea. It's good tea. Okay, I think the car is good. And when I say good, I mean, oh my goodness, this is horrific. I don't want to work on this anymore. Where is FBX? Where's the FBX file? Wait, this isn't gonna. Wait, does FBX save animation data? Does FBX save animation? I mean, if it doesn't, oh well, I'm fine with it just not having animation. Documents, Godot project, Vroom car race, new folder, car, export FBX. Now I open Godot. That is the console. You know, it still worked. Vroom car game. Is required. Please download it. I guess I'm downloading something. Browse. Up. Up. Godot. There. That one. Confirm path. Okay, can I... Here's the moment of truth. Yo, it's not got color. Why does it not have color? But it does exist. Okay, we need to make a new based around the car. Alright. How do I apply textures? I should just, you know what I should have done instead? Better idea. Which is kind of genius for me if you really think about it. Delete, and then go back to Blender, and then export it as an OBJ. Why did I not export it as an OBJ? That's just a better format. And anyone who does 3D modeling will know. It's just a better format. I really hope I exported the textures. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't think I exported the textures. No, I didn't. Back to Blender, File, Export, OBJ. Apparently the materials are exporting as well. Oh, and animations. It's running in. It exported all 20 frames of the car. Where's the texture? Material. Can I export just the material? Actually, wait, I have the... What am I talking about? I have the... Where is it? There's wheel and there's cardboard. I didn't update them. Yes, I image save. There's the car body. Now I save this image. Save. I go to here. Right, material 1. I need to put it into the Godot folder. Copy. Have projects. This is so rubbish. Apparently all the material files are there. Let me create new resource material. Where's just like normal material? Standard material 3D. This is car body. How do I... Can I just upload this as the normal map? And then apply this. No, this is not the normal map. Beta? Like from Genshin Impact? Nope. Spaceship next stream? You know what? Sure. I'll put a space. I'll build a spaceship for the game. I cook my. I'm gonna end the stream once I've got a car that moves. So once I got a car that moves and like something to drive it on. I'm seeing a lot of errors in console. Let me just clear console. Are we? Is this the car? Oh, I really need to learn how to import textures. I'm not meant to be a game developer. Alright, you know what? This is fine. I want to attach a script, C# script. Inherits node 3D, yep. Great. Alright, Chat GPT. Visual Studio has just is opening on my other monitor. I cannot see chat at the moment. Let's cheat, because I am exhausted. Give me a car controller script that also handles camera. It's for Godot for C#. Alright, Visual Studio is up. I've got chat back. Should be attached to a kinematic body that represents my car. My car is currently not a kinematic body. It is currently an untitled 0. So I need a it's not called, it's called a character body now. Character body has no shape. Now I should give it a collision shape, which I will alter in a sec. But first, put that out, put it, yep, under the character body. Transform its position as 0. What if I do 1? Oh wait, do I currently have, oh, I have collision shape selected at the moment. Transform, just reset transform. just need it to be in the collision shape, which I'm now adjusting to fit the car. These hitboxes are jank. But, you know, it works. I should really, like, make some projects just on my own. This game is I'm scrapping online multiplayer. This game is just gonna be a driving sim. I am not ready for online multiplayer. I might go back to messing around with 2D for a while. Anyway, drag this here, get my IDE. Where's the copy code button? There. How many errors we got? Oh, 20. Is it because I'm not using system? It's not called a kinematic body anymore. It's called a character body 3D. Copy that. Also, this isn't attached to anything. So what do I need to do? Car controller. Rename car control just to have less issues. Please update all kinematic body references with character body 3D. Thank you. Attach car controller, inherits character body 3D. Yes. I don't want to close this because I'm worried it'll kill everything. Make the inconsistent line endings? I don't care. Did I spell car controller wrong? No, I got it right. Why is the entire thing wrong? Because the namespace is wrong. I need a new namespace. Car room. It's the new namespace. Everything is broken. Please fix. It'll get it eventually. Probably. Hopefully. Rename room car. I can't. Okay, we're gonna detach script, reattach script. And we're gonna look at the base script, and we're gonna get it working. So probably partial class. Room car. Okay, so leave that. Where's the code bit? So it uses different. Now if we do it from this point instead, Spatial is... It's not called spatial, is it? Where is ChatGPT? Which tab? It's using Godot, export, okay. Vector 3, camera, private camera. Okay. Do you want to normalize line? Yeah, I guess. Okay, copy. Let's have it deal with that how it does. Is this not the exact same script it just gave me? Is it not the exact same script it just gave me? It is. Now it's got more errors. It's got more errors. You know what? Let's just... Let's see it not work. I'm not doing anything tomorrow, so I think what I'm gonna do is tomorrow I'm just gonna do nothing. Like, I'm gonna wake up and just Godot. Just learn. Learn Godot C#, learn what I'm doing, learn how the program works. Oh my goodness, I have not made a single working project besides a dumb failed to build project. And I will make like I'll just make like a little 2D platformer. I'll have to Floating Sarah as the main character. Famous character from like one of my first ever public release games. It's floating. It'll be Floating Sarah goes to the shops or something. I just need to learn the software. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna rip my hair out soon. My tier's 18%. My tier's finished. It's been finished for a long time. When is my when am I saying I'm gonna stream next? What does my stream schedule say? Sunday. Alright, that is what I'm doing. On Sunday I'm gonna stream, and then it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Everything is falling apart. What if I ask it to do one? But don't become bold, please. Alright. What if I ask it to do one? Really? Just no, give it a template. What if I ask it to do it in GDScript? Can you remake the script in GDScript? X and boldness. Okay, is this gonna work now? Don't need this. Go away. Don't come back ever again. Is this? Oh no, it's at, not square brackets. That's for rasterized fields. Okay, now it's wrong here. Alright. And what if my public is not available for this? So if I make it private? Why is Visual Studio screaming at me? No, go away. I clear it out. What's my current error? I just try to run the project. My tear's 4%, I'm too full, lol. Just down it. Maybe I should move back to Unity. Modifier public is not available for this item. 6. Visual Studio, go away. Also this stuff. I'm getting errors. Also export needs to start with an at, but there are more errors than that. Thank you for fixing the at. Function ready, function physics process. I like how it told me. It's like, oh yes, sorry, these things are wrong. Right. What if I cannot be public for this? Copy error. Did that even make any changes? No, and it got rid of the at. It's like, yeah, we'll use proper syntax. Gets rid of the syntax. Where's curly bracket expected? No, why is it opening so many? I come back to this. Errors. Sarah, please be our savior. Please. Please, Sarek. We beg. Sarah, I'm just gonna Hey Sarah, I got someone for you. Please fix. Thank you, Sarek. Next stream, could I make the presets? You mean assets? Probably not, because also, oh my goodness. Visual Studio, stop opening. I'm not using you at the moment. The stream is so like, yeah, because I have so many applications opened. What's broken and what needs fixed? Everything is broken. Let me just send you a... Let me just send you the... You don't even know... Will you... Right, Sirik doesn't know Godot, so I guess I'm ending stream. I guess I'm saying I will stream on Sunday and I will make it better. I'm gonna be like a different person. I might also switch back to Unity over that time. I don't know. Unity, I hate it, but I actually know how to use it. Um, but we'll see. Um, I cannot code. Uh, I'm in the extreme. I'm so tired and dead. Thank you for coming. I'm gonna just. I'll be back on Sunday. Probably on Unity. Now I was closing tabs. Now there's Persona music playing. Okay, goodbye, guys. I'm gonna actually learn. I'm so bad at using Godot. Honestly, I might just end up using Unity. But I need to optimize it because Unity lags so much on my computer in general. And just trying to stream it might just explode my computer. Right, ciao. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. You'll see me on Sunday with less of an aneurysm. And I'll actually try and make something that works. Also, I can actually import textures in Unity. So honestly, I might go back to Unity. It's still installed. It's still right here. Oh wait, I'm not showing my screen. It's still right here. I have Unity installed. I've got the Unity Hub. These are both 2022 versions, but you know, it doesn't matter. Anyway, goodbye. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm gonna go die. But not actually. Alright, bye. You will not